Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 2nd of September for our YouTube subscribers. Now, today, you know, people are expecting that the moratorium issue will decide the market. I think to some extent it would. Now, what is priced into the market? I think a 2 year extension of moratorium is priced into the market. My sense, and it is just my sense, and there is no evidence or you know extra information that I possess, that the Supreme Court will not play with the structure of the lending institutions in this country. All this, a waiver of interest and waiver of interest on interest, all that looks very nice to hear, but the issue is somebody has to foot the bill. In other countries, for example the US, etc., the government is footing the bill. If I am borrowing from the depositor, the deposits with the bank is a liability, it's not their asset, and I am making 3% on that. You know, I am borrowing from the depositor basically, and I am lending to the borrower, and between that I am making a 3% margin. Now, basically, if I start to waive interest, then basically, how am I going to run my bank? I mean, this is something that most naive Indians don't understand, that if in the chain there is the cost of money is zero for one link of the chain, it disturbs the whole chain. Yes, if depositor stops expecting interest and borrower stops paying interest, you can run the bank for some time. But are depositors willing to forego interest? I mean, if the bank is not receiving any interest, how can they give interest in the future? So, my limited sense says that you cannot waive any sort of interest. Yes, you can add a few EMIs. I believe 15, 16 EMIs will get added if somebody has a 10-year or 15-year loan. These are the figures that I have heard. That can be done, but to say that you know you don't pay interest and you just keep sitting on the money, that is not a business like proposal. So once this is out of the way, given the strong global trend, I would think financials would rally, because this is a big overhang on their neck. The only institutions which are functioning well are the financial institutions. And if you disturb that structure, you can kiss growth goodbye. See, nobody wants to pay any money. You think in 2 years all these people will become standard borrowers? The point is, all of these loans will become NPAs, most of them. So, this is something that the courts will have to consider. It's all very fine. Public wants everything free, electricity free, ration free, everything free. But now playing with these banking institutions, I don't think would be advisable. and Supreme Court has very wise judges. So at best, you can have a moratorium and you can pay later, but I don't think the interest, etc., can be waived off, because the banks have to run, they have to repay depositors. Maybe they can reduce the interest rate a bit, but I think it's out of question that the court says that you don't pay interest. If what I am saying happens, then today could be a very, very strong day on financials. And that is the hope that I have, that given the global trends, S&P 500 going up almost 25 points, once this case is out, we should head higher. I reserve the right to be wrong, and for whatever wisdom I expect, many institutions sometimes, for their erroneous concept of public good, take decisions which are not correct. So you have to keep some allowance for that. That would be it for this update. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.